Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Once again, that website is theclinicaltrialsguru.com. That's where we discuss clinical trials every day in plain English. We try to demystify the topic. We realize that there's a lot of you out there who may be interested in clinical trials and just, haven't been able to get enough information about exactly what clinical trials are. So it may be kind of intimidating, and we hope to be able to demystify a little bit of it. Even if it's for just a few people out there, for us it's worth it. Today I wanted to talk to you about qualifying for a study. You may find that you're interested in a particular study, but you don't qualify, and you'll be discouraged. And what I'm here to tell you is don't be discouraged. There's so many clinical trials out there that just because you don't qualify for one, doesn't mean that you won't qualify for another study. Let's say you have diabetes. You may find that you don't qualify for one particular study, based on a variety of different factors. Each study is so different, each study is so complex, and each study is really unique in that someone may qualify for one study and then not qualify for another study based on a number of different factors. For instance, the medications that you took in the past, different medical conditions you may have, the severity of your medical condition. You may find that you don't qualify for one trial, but you do qualify for another trial of the same indication. So just because you don't qualify for one study or the first study that you call up for, doesn't mean that you won't qualify for another study. So don't stop searching for clinical trials. If indeed you really are interested in clinical trials, I can almost guarantee you will be able to find one if you look long enough for a clinical trial. And you won't have to look too far. If there's different studies in most major cities. There's all different kinds of research clinics out there. Regardless of where you live, if you're anywhere near a major city, there'll be plenty of clinical trials to choose from. So just because you got turned down for one diabetes trial or one asthma trial, and you're really looking to get into a clinical trial, keep trying. There's tons of studies out there. Go to clinicaltrials.gov, or you can go on our blog. If you're already on our blog, go to search clinical trials on the top. We use the clinicaltrials.gov search engine, and you can type in whatever medical indication you're looking for, and you'll see like hundreds of different studies. So just because you don't qualify for one, it doesn't mean you won't qualify for another one. So keep trying, persevere. If you're really having a hard time, give myself or Don a call, and we'll try to help you out. But I just wanted to let you know that there are tons of studies out there, so just because you don't qualify for one, doesn't mean that you won't qualify for the next study. You just got to keep trying, and if you really want to get into a trial, you can do it. It's possible. Where there's a will, there's a way. www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thanks a lot.